Barbecue Warriors, today we're gonna do something fun. Time to shout out to my favorite tequila, Cabo Wabo. Starting out with the ingredients we got going on right here in front of us. Orange juice, 1 cup of peach juice, 1/4 cup of olive oil. We got 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 red chili pepper, seeded out, pulp out, chopped. Spring onions, 1 lemon. We got 4 ounces Cabo Wabo Tequila. Everybody says, that's a lot of tequila. Yeah, I mean, we're doing a dish here with the best tequila on the market. I want to taste it when I buy that shrimp. We got our marinade ready to go. Right here, I got 1 pound of shrimp. That marinade there will do 2 pounds, depending on how many people you're feeding. I like to leave a little bit of the tail on there for presentation. So I take it back, leave that last joint. Peel it back. Take your blade, go down to his back and devein it. Clean him out good. We got our bag right here. Drop your shrimp right over in it. Now, how hard was that? I'm telling you, I'll spend more time prepping it than showing you this right here. Now, and mix it up good. Stick it in your fridge for 2 hours. All right, we got our shrimp right here. I'm gonna tell you something, this marinade is awesome. It smells so good. We're gonna get my rack over here because we're gonna lay the skewers on a rack. Everybody knows I love these racks. Now, I found out a trick about doing these. Thick end, but you want them all to be the same, so when you get ready to turn them, you can hold them up and flip them back and forth. All right, we got the other skewer ready to go. Time to apply our hot rub. But I don't like it grainy on my shrimp. I like it to be a dust. It just melts in. And all you gotta do, you just taste it. It's not gritty. So I'm gonna put it over here in my spice grinder. Now I got my dust. Look at there. See that little powder? Just hitting them shrimp and melted. Pick them up, get the other side. We got our hot rub dust on our shrimp over here at 450 degrees. We're gonna give that 5 to 7 minutes, bring you right back, we'll finish up. Barbecue Warriors, we're back, 7 minutes. It's time to check on that Cabo Wabo spicy shrimp. Look at that right there. Aren't those pretty? But we ain't through yet. We're gonna take it up another notch. Right here, I got my blackberry sauce. It's not really sweet. It's got a tang to it like real blackberries do because it's got real blackberries in it. Let me try one of them scrimps. That right there is a grown folks drink. I hope you enjoyed doing the Cabo spicy shrimp with me today at the compound. I've had a blast, and remember, if you want the best tequila around, Cabo Wabo. Thick cut, baby. See y'all next time.